the room, the entrance. Right over here is a half bath. Toilet, sink, very spacious. Nice mirror, ambient lighting. Blow it up in this toilet, people. Full-size mirror. Big living room. That light is currently not working. Sectional sofa. This big old little television. Seating and table with a view of the bay. Let's see if I can, there we go. There's the view. This is a Bayview Suite. So that's the view. And then we come over here. There is a wet bar. Coffee maker, tea maker. Apparently the ice machine is not working on 4 floors, so we were told. There is a sink, mini sink, and a refrigerator. We already put stuff in it. We got snacks on deck. And you come into these double doors. King size bed. Yep. Chaise lounge. Desk. Another big TV. Got that. Another view. Bedroom view. Very nice, very nice. Got the floating desks over here. Got the USB plug and a plug right next to the bed. That is legit. Always need that. A nice bench. Got a closet over here. We'll just open it to show you. Safe, ironing board, extra covers. Hang up my jacket already. But it's pretty big. That's one side. And that's the other side. And then, go in here. There's another double doors. You got the bathroom. So you got this nice jetted tub. Deep. Lots of mirrors. His and her sinks. One over there. One over there. You got this huge shower. Rain shower and like a body shower. Ooh, squeaky, squeaky. Yeah. That's that. And then you got the other toilet to blow up. But I prefer if you blow up the front one. And yeah, that is the suite. It's really nice. So my overall review of the Bayview Suites, pretty good. Toilets flushes really, really loud. Don't hear a lot of noise like we did in the other room last time we stayed here. Just a little bit of running water. Water pressure in the shower, perfect. The fact that there's a mini fridge, we brought snacks and some drinks and stuff. The guy who told us the ice machines weren't working, that wasn't true. Ours was working on our floor, so I don't know what he was doing wrong. The bed, not that comfortable. Pretty firm. If you like really firm, then that's for you. The pillows were nice. They were fluffy, but they let you sink in. But I woke up in pain. So yeah, that should tell you right there. I'm glad that's not an everyday thing. I'll be happy to go home to my own bed. So yeah. But other than that, it was an amazing stay, amazing room. You should definitely check this room out. It's a very, very spacious room. So you have people just hanging out in here if that's what you're trying to do. It's right across from the pool area. The entrance is a little further down, but the pool area is right there. Last night they had the pool after dark. So you check that out. And yep, that's a wrap for this stay.